Oh. Bunny wants hot chocolate. I'll put my hot chocolate right there. It's chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Okay. I'll add that.
Anyways, that's the chocolate.
I already have all the chocolate I need. It's at the bottom.
I didn't Watch out for me, Cody. I'm right behind you. Wait, let's do a A. Okay. C. And now
You have to draw A.
A. This is the time. This is how many people are coming. And this? We need to make a hot chocolate. Make it so sweet. And flooding sugar. The hot chocolate. We need to mix the hot chocolate to make it sweet. This is and I'll turn it over and I'll flatten it. Now we put the butter. And now we put the chocolate. Now we put the chocolate. Now sugar. Now sugar. Now milk. Now milk. Now hot chocolate sauce. Now hot chocolate sauce. Yep, and flat it. And flat it. We need to flat it like this. Yeah. Chocolate sauce. That is hot chocolate sauce. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
No anymore.
It looks like Play-Doh. We need hot chocolate water. Then you put that back to here. So yeah. In the dome. Gooey, so gooey and sweet. So gooey and sweet and gooey. This is